Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Ever wondered what DevOps is and why it was created? Well, step right into the world of software development and IT operations, where the story of DevOps begins. DevOps, a portmanteau of the words development and operations, is a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations. It aims to shorten the system development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. So why was DevOps created? Picture this. It's the early 2000s, the internet is booming, and companies are scrambling to keep up with the rapid pace of technological development. The traditional waterfall model of software development, where each stage is completed before the next begins, is proving to be too slow and inflexible. Meanwhile, IT operations teams are struggling to keep systems running smoothly while implementing changes from the development teams. There's tension, miscommunication, and a whole lot of frustration. Clearly, a solution is needed. Enter the Agile methodology in the mid-2000s, a revolutionary approach to software development that emphasizes flexibility, customer satisfaction, and collaboration. But while Agile addressed many issues within the development teams, it didn't quite bridge the gap between development and operations. That's where DevOps comes in. The concept of DevOps was born out of a desire to improve collaboration between these two critical teams, to create a culture where both can work together more effectively. It was a response to the need for speed, efficiency, and quality in a fast-paced digital world. The birthplace of DevOps is somewhat nebulous. Its principles were shaped by industry experiences and conversations at conferences around the world. However, many attribute its formal introduction to the Agile 2008 conference, where Andrew Schaefer and Patrick DeBoy discussed Agile infrastructure. The creation of DevOps was not a singular event, but rather an evolution. It was influenced by the philosophies of lean manufacturing and the Toyota production system, which stressed the importance of collaboration and streamlining processes. The term DevOps was coined by Patrick DeBoy in 2009, who organized the first DevOps Days conference in Belgium, marking a key milestone in the DevOps movement. Before we dive into the conclusion, let's take a moment to shine a light on an influential figure in the early days of DevOps, Jesse Robbins. Often referred to as the master of disaster, Robbins was instrumental in shaping the DevOps movement. He strongly advocated for the significance of operations in achieving business success, even coining the mantra, "Operations is a competitive advantage, secret sauce for startups." Robbins' work at Amazon, where he was responsible for website availability, and later at Chef Software, a pioneer in DevOps tools, was pivotal in developing the principles of DevOps that we know today. The impact Robbins had on DevOps is profound, and his mantra continues to echo within the DevOps community, serving as a reminder of the critical role operations play in the success of any tech venture. So as we navigate the world of DevOps, let's remember the master of disaster and his emphasis on operations as a competitive advantage. After all, it's this thinking that underpins much of the DevOps philosophy. In summary, DevOps was born out of a need for better collaboration and efficiency in the software development and IT operations world. Its creation was a response to the limitations of previous methodologies, influenced by industry experiences and lean manufacturing principles. From its inception in the late 2000s to its ongoing evolution today, DevOps continues to shape how we develop, deliver, and maintain software. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and a nod to the ever-changing, dynamic nature of technology.